Hello everyone, this is Chef Mark. I'm making very quick fast food, less than an hour from frozen. Today, material that we'll be using: chicken, potato, tomato, and whatever else that is in the freezer. Go look in there, find whatever you find, just bring it out. Get yourself a big pan. In the big pan, put your chicken in. Don't worry about anything, just do it. Just do it and don't think. The best way of cooking is to think of good things and not to think anything that could go wrong. Look at this. I'm not, spending too much time just doing crazy stuff that usually people do and they YouTube it. I'll make it fast, and the best and the fastest way, it's this. Just the way that you see it. Put the potato in. I need somebody to help me here in the kitchen. I've got my lovely wife, Farah, here. Farah, do me a favor. Give me some seasoning salt as soon as you're done. She's cooking, obviously, as you see, other things. Oh yeah, we were talking about frozen things. I even have frozen tomato. It's solid, look. Frozen solid. Everything is absolutely frozen. This is what they call, look at this. Oh yes. Don't even cut it. Just put it like that. I'm not filming you. See, now she's getting mad because I'm filming her. But Mad Cook here doesn't care about anything except for doing good things. Except for good things. So everything is here. You see this? They call this seasoning salt. Seasoning salt, it's easy to get from anywhere you want, any store. Put it just right on. Look at this. Oh yes. It looks so good. You could eat it just the way it is. And don't forget the garlic. This seasoning salt, you gotta be generous about it, just put it on. It's some sort of a coating. Don't be shy. Make sure that you cover everything right here. Holy smoke, that looks good. That looks good. And then get yourself garlic. My garlic is not that fresh, but doesn't matter. Don't get stuck with the minor little things. Even if the garlic is not fresh, just put it in. Put it in like this. This is so good. And then what is this? It was frozen. I don't know what it is, but I think it's some sort of a, hold on for a second. Let me put this here for a second. Hey, do you know the name of this thing that I'm putting in here? It's something. You guys, you could put a comment in and take a guess. And whoever tells me what this is will win a prize. The prize that I don't even know what it is, but we'll figure it out. Mad cooking. All right, so I've got all this here. Salt, this is salt, but I think pepper is always, oh shoot, pepper is the best. Just put the pepper in. We got lots of salt. This thing's all gonna be, put the oven on to, what temperature are you gonna put the oven to? Come on, wife, help. Oh, she's busy. What is this? Whatever it is, just put it in. Put it in. Don't be shy. Whatever you see, it's going to make it taste good. Now, don't put too many sweet things in. But, if you don't have anything else, you got to put something in. The base is the chicken. The kitchen. Oh, I have honey garlic. But that makes it a little bit sweet. We don't want it sweet, do we? Should we? I don't know. Nah, that's enough. We just have to put the oven on. Let's see if I can put the oven to 500 and put it on convection. Convection is right here. This has the fan and goes up and down. Oh shoot, we have lots of stuff in there. Hold on guys, I gotta turn this off and come back to it again.